So this is the Millenium Feathernet pastured layers, okay? So pastured eggs. This particular flock is a breeder flock. We've been breeding our own pullets for replacement layers now for about 10 years. And that's why you see roosters here, roosters and hens. We've got about 1 rooster to 10 hens is about the ratio. This is an A-frame structure with a scissor truss. The nest boxes are up inside, roost boards here. This whole thing gets moved every 2 days, and then the whole circle fence, it's a 1/4 acre, it's 1,000 chickens in a 1/4 acre. We can move that, the whole kit and caboodle every 4 days. So we move the shelter every 2 days so we don't get too much manure in one spot, and we move the whole thing every 4 days. To a 1/4 acre. It's made for 1,000 birds. By moving them all the time, they get a lot of green material, they get away from their manure, they get fresh ground, and of course they get fresh air and sunshine. There's no flies here, no smell. It's very, very chicken friendly, and the electrified netting protects them. There is a guard goose here, and he kind of protects them from the aerial predators. But with this little simple, very, very simple setup, 1,000 layers, if they're laying 60%, that's 50 dozen eggs a day. If you're selling them for $6 a dozen, that's $300 a day. $300 a day times 4 days in 1/4 acre spot is $1,200 per 1/4 acre times 4 quarters to make a full acre is $4,800, and we basically cover each acre 3 times. So in the season, we're covering the ground 3 times in a season. 3 times 4,800 is whatever it is, 14,000. Anyway, we're looking at somewhere between $10,000 and $12,000 an acre conservatively. This is the infrastructure. There's no concrete, no fans. We just pull it with the tractor forward. The chickens just walk into the next circle. Almost no depreciable infrastructure. So the reason the cows are here right now is because this grass has gotten too long. You notice they're mashing this grass down. Chickens can't actually masticate long grass. They want it to be fairly short. So when the grass starts to get long, we bring the cows in to prepare the pasture table for the chickens to shorten the grass so the chickens will eat more of it. It also means that their manure goes onto the ground instead of on top of the slicked over grass. Keeps the chickens cleaner, more sanitary to have the short grass than the long grass. So the cows are symbiotic with the chickens to prepare the table so the chickens can operate better and everything is cleaner, and the chickens then ingest more green material.